All right, let's dive into some really fascinating new research.
This study's looking at a compound that could totally change how we think about muscle fatigue. We all know that pushing our limits builds strength, but what's really going on inside our muscles? Basically, all that hard work creates stress that leads to inflammation and fatigue. So, scientists are looking at a natural compound you can find in veggies, like broccoli. It's a really powerful little molecule that can interact with major pathways in our body. So, could this stuff actually protect your muscles? Researchers set up a pretty clever experiment to find out. Here's the breakdown of how they set up the test to really pinpoint the compound's effects. Okay, so what did they find out? Well, the results showed a huge impact on inflammation. In the mice that only exercised, this key inflammatory marker, IL-6, just skyrocketed. Look at that. But check this out. The mice given SFN had way lower inflammation, a huge protective effect. And it didn't just stop there. SFN also ramped up the body's own antioxidant defenses. Interestingly, that super tough workout actually decreased a key protective enzyme called SOD1. But the SFN group, they saw a massive increase, seriously boosting the muscle's natural defenses. So how in the world does this work? It's not magic. It's all about activating a powerful pathway. Think of it like a master switch for your cell's defense systems. It's called NRF2. And what the study found is that SFN is a potent activator of this NRF2 switch. This chain reaction basically tells your cell's protective genes to turn on. Simple as that. Okay, so what's the big picture here? Let's recap what we've learned. Bottom line, SFN dials down inflammation and cranks up the body's own protective systems. Now, it's worth noting the dose was high. Probably not something you can get from just diet. Still, could this change how athletes train and recover? It for sure opens up some exciting new doors.